Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are good and are you doing your studies? So in this session, without wasting time, one thing, you have to mention your name, roll number and class section for the attendance. This is compulsory for all of you. So let's begin. Our body, what is our body? We know our body. We know well about our body. Our body works differently. Different organs show different movements, do different functions. Normally, our body is made up of cells, tissues, organs and organ system. Basically, there are eight. How many? 8 organ systems. How many organ systems in our body? There are 8 organ systems. Skeletal system, muscular system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, digestive system, and 2 more is reproductive system and circulatory system. So just like digestive system includes large intestine, small intestine, mouth, anus. Okay, the same way circulatory system. When we talk about circulatory system includes what? Circulatory system includes all those organs which carry blood or circulate blood in our body. Here, let's begin today's class with the question answer. Here you can see question number 1 is, what are cells? What are cells? Cells are the building blocks of our body. Building blocks, cells, building blocks, as the name sound, building blocks, जिससे हमारी बॉडी बनी है. किससे बनी है? सेल्स से. किससे बनी है? सेल्स. Cells are the building blocks of our body. The second question, in the second question it is asking that which organ pumps blood to all parts of the body. It means which organ, कौन सा organ, हमारी बॉडी का कौन सा organ जो है वो ब्लड को क्या करता है? पंप करता है. पंप टू द ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी. हमारी पूरी बॉडी में ऐसा कौन सा ऑर्गन है जो पूरी बॉडी को ब्लड पंप करता है? हियर हार्ट, वी नो हार्ट पंप्स ब्लड. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. You have to keep heart. The function of heart is pumps blood. Then the third question is, why are muscles useful for us? We have muscles and different muscles work differently. So here it is asking that why are muscles useful for us? What is the use of muscles for us? Why are muscles useful for us? Here, muscles are useful for us. With the help of muscles, we move, we walk. Muscles are useful for us to moving the limbs, limbs, and other parts of the body. We know that we do different functions with the help of or movement of the muscles. So, now question number 4 is, now in question number 4 what it is asking that what is the function of digestive system. As I told you, our digestive system includes 5 different organs. Our digestive system starts with the mouth, food pipe, small intestine, large intestine, then anus. So our digestive system have how many organs? 5 organs. Now it is asking that the function, tell the function, काम बताना है हमको, function of digestive system. Function, digestive system का क्या function है? Digestive system, as the name shown, digest पचाने में, जो भी हम लोग खाना खाते हैं उसको digest करने में digestive system help करता है. So here we can say the digestive system helps to digest the food we eat. जो भी हम लोग खाना खाते हैं, हमारा digestive system उसको digest करने में हमारी help करता है. So this is one line answer and it is very easy answer also. Now next is very important question number 5. It is all about skeletal. All human beings have a particular shape of a body. particular shape of a body. Why they have particular shape of body? Which organ system helps to give a particular shape to the human body? Skeletal system. Skeletal system gives a particular shape to human body or all the living creatures. Here you can see mention two ways by which the skeletal system is useful to us. हमको दो ऐसे तरीके बताना है जिससे ये पता चले कि जो skeletal system है वो हमारे लिए क्या है, यूजफुल है. So here you can see answer number 5. Two ways by which the skeletal system useful to us are. Here number 1, the skeletal system gives shape to our body. जो skeletal system है वो हमारी body को एक shape देता है, एक आकार देता है. जो हड्डियां होती है skeletal system में क्या आती है, हमारी शरीर की हड्डियां ही तो आएंगी. Here the skeletal system gives shape to our body. Second is it protects the internal delicate. Here delicate means soft. Delicate means soft. It protects the internal delicate parts of our body. और skeletal system also protects, रक्षा करता है जो soft और delicate part होते हैं, हमारे जो internal organs होते हैं उसको skeletal system protect करता है. How? Just like heart जो वो ribs के अंदर है, जो ribs होती है हमारी body की ribs. So we can say it protects. It means skeletal system protects the internal or delicate parts of our body. So this is all about today's question. I hope you all understood all the question answer. Cells are building blocks. We know answer number 1, cells are the building blocks. Then in the next question it was asking about the digestive system. Digestive system helps to digest the food we eat. Then muscles. What are muscles? With the help of muscles we can move, we can walk, we can do anything. Then here skeletal system gives shape to our body and it also protects the internal delicate parts of our body. You can also write, if you know the answer you can also give answer in your own words. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.